Hi, and welcome to Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. I'm Bonita. Today I'm excited to share with you my new kitchen gadget. Sharing with you my review on this ChefsTemp Final Touch X10 professional grade cooking thermometer. And what's so nice about this thermometer, it is ready to use and easy to clean when it comes out of the box. So if you're interested in getting your ChefsTemp X10 thermometer, it comes in a nifty little box like this, very compact, and now I'm going to show you some more specs about it. So pretty much when you get this package, it'll come in this nice little box. Of course, I'll put this to the side for now. You don't need that. And it'll also come in with an instruction manual, which of course they'll congratulate you on purchasing your unit. And what's so lovely about this, keep this in your drawer close by, because it gives you your functions of your unit. It gives you the calibrations, how you would go about that. Of course, troubleshooting, temperature gauge. Also, it'll give you this uploading bar where you could join the cooking group and check out other people's recipes and such, and your warranty. Of course, this is a nice little pamphlet to keep. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about this new thermometer. So what's so lovely about this unit? Of course, it's ready as soon as it comes out of the box. When you open it, I'm going to show you a quick cleaning. Also, it's a right-handed thermometer, and you can turn it to be a left-handed, because sometimes you got this awkward little places where you're going to be poking the meat that you're cooking. And if you're left-handed or right-handed, you'll always see the temperature. Of course, it'll come with the battery already included. It'll come calibrated, so you don't have to do that when you first buy your ChefsTemp. Also, it's, I was saying, waterproof. How wonderful is that? You're out by the barbecue, you forgot your thermometer, you came in, the next day you went out and it's like, it's raining. So you take it in, and I'm going to show you, it's waterproof. Of course, we don't want any water to get inside of the gauge of this unit, but if you got it closed and you're out it's out into the rain, it's getting a little bit of that water on there, you take it in, you dry it off, give it just a couple of seconds there, and then you open it again, and you can see it didn't bother it at all. After you've used your thermometer probe, you could then clean in between, because you want to take any bacteria off of your unit. I'm just putting some antibacterial soap into the water. You're just going to give it a little movement like this and just clean it with paper towel or just a sanitized wipe or your cloth, and that will clean off any bacteria. And at least a few times a day, wipe the handle of your unit as well to keep it clean. Also, it comes with an handy magnet with the temperatures of different meat, your fish, chicken, and your beef. You could put on the fridge. And what's so lovely about this, when you're finished with it at the end of the day, you don't want to put it in your cupboard just as well. Stick it to your fridge, stick it on the side of your barbecue when you're using it, or on the stove, but not on the hot side of the stove, but on one of the sides of the stove. And it's nifty and very helpful. Of course, when you receive your ChefsTemp Final Touch X10, it'll come with a little sticker here just to protect your screen. You could remove that or keep that on, that's fine. And whether you try grilling steaks too dry or too red, you got this nifty probe that you could use in seconds. It just as soon as you put it into the meat, it'll give you the temperature of what it is there. And if you hold this button and keep it, then it will keep that temperature for you until you can see it after you've taken it from that meat. I'll show you some demonstrations of some food that we cooked using our ChefsTemp Final Touch x10. I'm going to show you just briefly the calibration if you needed to do it. It comes pre-calibrated, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you feel that it's not at the temperature it's supposed to be when you got it, then you would 3/4 of the way fill your glass with crushed ice, would be preferred, and then some water. And on the back here, it's got a casing to your battery. You need to take that off first. So after you've taken this back off, it'll show you 2 little gauges there, little buttons. That is your calibrating little controllers. And when you open up the probe, you put it down into the water. And when you get it down, you just got to circle it just 3/4 of the way down until it gets to that temperature, and then you would hit calibration on the back. That's only if you need to do it, and you can also follow the guide on the website of the ChefsTemp's website. So of course the 270-degree rotation feature, that is good again for the right or left-handed chef. And the black light with the white numbers, that is easy to see. And of course big numbers for us that haven't got our glasses on when we're cooking. And it's got a long-lasting battery life, over 3,000 hours, and a 3-year limited warranty, and you can see your pamphlet on what that is. So I hope you're excited as well as I was when I received my ChefsTemp Final Touch x10 thermometer. It is such a nice tool. It go into your pocket. I don't have a pocket here to show you if you're out and you're barbecuing or you're going to a friend's. And of course, again, definitely keep your manual close so that you got that there for you if you need it. There's also a number on the back if you got trouble with your thermometer and you need to call to get help on what you need to do or if it needs to go back. And this is perfect gift for a special family member that is a chef in your family or just love to cook and want to have this perfect gift. Like you said, pocket size as well. I would also leave a link down below for a discount if you wish to order this unit. I am not the saleswoman for ChefsTemp. I am just a satisfied customer that got one of these and is excited to use it in my daily use of our cooking. I'm going to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and listening to our review today for this ChefsTemp Final Touch x10 professional grade thermometer. I'm also going to give it a 2 thumbs up by Bonita's Kitchen, and I hope that you feel the same way if you wish to order one as well. We'll leave those links below the screen, and as well the discount code. Subscribe button is there if you're a first-time visitor to Bonita's Kitchen. We would love for you to watch our videos, and thank you again for joining us. So from our kitchen to yours, on behalf of myself, Raymond, and our team here at Bonita's Kitchen, you have a wonderful day.
Always an open door. kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen. His kitchen. To yours.